Hi, my name is Miriam Bolton. This is my computer science grade 12 IC for University Preparation course Ontario curriculum. Unit 1, Lesson 6, Assignment. This question is to generate a multiplication table for any number between 1 to 12. I use table range 1, 13. Results equals number star integer. Print results, comma, and equal quotes, and I use loops. So now I'm going to show you my program that I created. So this is from the top and the bottom. Okay, so now we're gonna press run. Okay, now it shows to enter numbers to generate its times table from between 1 to 12. So let's choose the multiplication table of 8. Oh, now it shows times table for 8. Now, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, and 96. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's do the multiplication of 4. Okay, now it shows the times table of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. Okay. Thank you, bye.